Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel on system.io, and this is the full guide. At first, head over to your Meta business settings and then click on the settings, and from there you're going to search for system.io account, and then you see this page over here. From there you're going to go into pixels, and then this thing will pop up, so you're going to select on this one and then make sure manage pixel is turned on. After that, you're going to go on add accounts and select whatever ad account it is and click on add. From there you're going to go into pixels and then event manager business setting, and you'll see the people that pop up, so you'll choose what kind of setup event you want. So we're going to go with metapixel. After that, you choose however you want to, so we're going to go with install code manually, but if you have one you can just do this one, but for now we're going to go with this one. And after that, what you need to do is head over to your ClickFunnels page, settings, and then edit header code, and then put that code over here and save changes. And then what you can do is go to your sales funnel settings over there and then paste that tracking code over here. And then what you need to do is go to your events manager onboarding and then click on install events using code, and then you see this code right over here, which is the lead code. So you need this one, and then you have to add the domain, so whatever your domain name is. Finally, you see this meta domain name from here, so you have to copy this one for your domain. Finally, on the events manager onboarding, you're going to go to pixel overview. You're going to check if everything is okay or not. So we're going to go into test events to test it. So click on website and see if everything is running. If it is, you'll see that all of this has been processed. Just save it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.